Hey babes, and welcome to probably the most interesting video of all time in my life. This is something that I've always wanted to do, and as you guys can probably see from the title, I am going to do a DNA test. What? Just think, what if it says that I'm like not even Swedish? Maybe I'm like, I don't even know. I am so excited, and also I am so proud to say that this is in a collaboration with MyHeritage. I got these tests from MyHeritage just a while back, and I've been dying to do it, but Corona happened, so life's been hectic. I just realized, what if it says like I'm 50% Irish or something? Then like I need to have a talk with mom. But just a little info about MyHeritage. It is the global leading service for DNA tests and also for family history. I mean, I know that my grandpa does a lot of family research things. I feel like this would be the most exciting thing for him. And also something that is great about these kits is that you get them home. You only need to take a little bit of swabbing in your mouth, no blood or anything like that. And you can do it at your own home and then just send it away. So why do I have two of these? I'm going to do this with Jonas, which I think is so much more fun because I mean, he's not just Swedish, so at least we will have some DNA fun. What if it says that I'm only Swedish? I would be so bored of myself. Also, before I forget, if you do want to check out MyHeritage, go and check out the link down below. And also, if you do want to buy a kit like this, I have a coupon code called Evelina Forsell. Hi, Jonas.
Hello.
Hello, my love.
Hello, my love.
Hey, T-Boo. Yeah, hey. Good T-Boo. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. We are actually, oops, gonna do a DNA test on him as well soon, which I'm so excited about. But now we're gonna make a video, so down you go. All right, here we have 2 DNA tests, and I am so excited.
Exciting.
So we know that you are Swedish and French.
50-50. And Italian.
And Italian. So at least we will have some difference. I might just be like Swedish.
Probably.
I think I'm a little bit German actually. I think I have some German in my family. But other than that, like it could be kind of boring. But I'm hoping you will be more interested.
Maybe Irish.
Irish? You?
The red.
This is how it looks, and you open it up like this. Ooh.
Cool packaging.
DNA kit activation reminder. Okay, it says that you should activate your DNA kit before sending back your sample. And then we have the little package, the little address. Whoops. Oh my god, this looks like, what does it say? Biohazard? This looks legit. Which it is, obviously, but like, it looks scary almost. We should open the test kits, which we have, and lay out the unopened swabs and vials on the clean surface. So this is the swabs, and then we have, this is the vials. Okay, this sounds like super simple actually. So let's try it.
Should I wash my hands?
No.
Yes, sir.
What if we have like DNA from T-Bow on us and it comes back and it says that we are Pomeranian? Okay, so this is one of the swabs. I'm gonna open it up like this, and there you go. You can see the black little line, and I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna swab my inside. Swab the inside of my cheek for 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, let's do it. What side are you doing?
What if they see us?
Our neighbors are like, what the fuck? Are you gonna earn it? I think that's good. Then we should put this inside of here and break it.
So
Is it-
like this.
Can I do it?
Okay.
You did it?
Yeah. Ooh, some liquid is coming out.
Ooh, I did it too. Okay, so there you go. You can see. And I broke it off. And then I'm just gonna close this tightly. And then you should put it in this little cotton
Directly.
thingy. Yeah. Okay.
Let's put it here. Break it. That's breaking it. And close it.
Tightly. In they go. In the biohazard little Ziploc bag. There they are. Jonas and me. Let's send it away to Texas. And then we put it in this little envelope, which already has the address. Like that. Close it. Done. Now we're gonna send this away. We shall see how long it takes until we get the results. But as soon as we do, we will be back. It is now months later. It took a while as Corona happened, and yeah, it's been a while. But we just got the DNA result, and we're now gonna see what our heritage is. If you guys haven't seen Thibaut's DNA result, I can link it up here somewhere. Should we go for you first or me first?
Should we do mine first?
Yeah, okay. Let's
mine
do
first.
Jonas's first. So exciting! Where do you think you are from? Italy, Sweden, and France.
Yeah. Balloon.
So
Börja.
exciting! Okay, Jonas, you are
Northwestern European.
68.7%.
Mhm.
English?
Nej. Får man säga så? English. 5.7% Italian.
Yeah, and then French, I guess?
Well, I think that's
No?
the Northwestern European.
Oh, okay. Why doesn't it say that you are half Swedish?
So 85%
What is North and West Europe?
this.
That's so Netherlands, Belgium, France. That's probably France then.
Yeah, but it could be like ancestors from Germany or Holland,
Yeah.
Netherlands. Yeah, it doesn't say exactly. But then English.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the red beer. I told you,
Yeah,
Irish.
true. So they could only predict the English and Italian for sure.
Yeah,
But then it only says North and West Europe.
yeah,
But it doesn't say Sweden. Okay, can I shake mine now?
yeah.
Evelina, ready to explore your heritage? Yes, begin. Evelina, you are 99.0 Scandinavian. Oh my god, I'm Indian?
No, from
No, not Indian. It's called
Native American.
I'm 1% Native American?
Yeah,
Okay, show full.
good for you.
99% Scandinavian though. Boo!
You're so Scandinavian.
I'm so Scandinavian. Okay, to be completely honest, I would have hoped something more fun with my heritage, but whatever, I'm super Swedish.
Maybe Finnish or
Yeah,
Norwegian.
no, honestly, I'm probably just Swedish. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
7,486 DNA matches. And one of them is actually probably quite close because she has the same name as my mom. Oh well, that is it for us. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing our DNA result heritage. If you guys want to check it out as well, I will have the link down below to my heritage. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video.
Bye bye.
Ska vi säga hejdå, Thibaut?
Kolla. Kolla.
Oh,
Say
kolla.
Lucky.
Oj, 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 oj. Say goodbye, my child, to my subscribers. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. No, no.
No, no. Ooh, whoop. Good, 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 good.